In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new ad account in Facebook Business Manager. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and log in to your account. Make sure you are signing into the correct business profile before you begin, especially if you manage more than one business. Starting in the right place helps avoid creating the ad account under the wrong portfolio, which can be frustrating to fix later. Once you are inside Meta Business Suite, go to your business portfolio settings. You can usually find this by clicking Settings or Business Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. This area is where Meta keeps the main controls for your business assets, including pages, people, payment settings, and ad accounts. When the Settings panel opens, look to the menu on the left-hand side and find the Accounts section. Under Accounts, click on Add Accounts. This will take you to the place where you can view existing AD accounts connected to your business and create a new one if needed. Next, click the Add drop-down menu and from the options that appear, choose Create a new ad account. This begins the setup process for a brand new advertising account inside your business manager. You will now be asked to enter an ad account name for your business. Choose a name that's clear and easy to recognize, especially if your business may create multiple ad accounts in the future. A simple naming structure can make account management much easier over time. After that, select the correct time zone and currency for the ad account. This step is very important because these settings cannot be changed later. Take a moment to double-check both selections before moving on. The time zone affects reporting and campaign scheduling, while the currency affects billing and how your ad costs are displayed. Then choose whether this ad account is for your own business or for another business. Select the option that matches how the account will be used and then click Create to continue. Once the ad account has been created, assign yourself or the appropriate team members to the account. Be sure to grant full admin permissions to the people who need complete access to manage campaigns, billing, and settings. It's a good idea to review permissions carefully, so the right people have the right level of control from the beginning. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.